once a year, we do our mystery pearl promotion. One of the most popular things that we do. You can buy a packet of 10 mystery pearls, and you'll have no idea what you're gonna get. It could be a combination of solid pearls, color shifts, interference pearls, active pearls, discontinued pearls. It could be anything. We had about 50 of them last week, sold out in 10 minutes, but we saved one. And what Gabe and I have committed to today is that we're gonna select 4 blindly out of the bag, and whatever comes out of the bag is getting mixed together and dropped down on our Evo. Would you like to do the honors, sir?
Sure.
And pick the first pearl? Pick something good. What the heck is that? And it's got no label.
Kind of looks like electric blurple to me.
Okay, so the first one is a very saturated bluish purple or just blue?
Bluish purple.
Bluish purple, no label, great. Let's show you what it looks like. Oh, wow. Beautiful pearl. Now we're dumping the whole thing in, right, for each one, so they're all 1 to 1 to 1 to 1?
Sure.
All right. If you had to guess, you're thinking this is electric blurple? Not regular blurple?
It's either going to be electric blurple or something like World Rally Blue.
It's got very good shimmer to it. All right, if you don't mind, I'll pick the next. Another unlabeled pearl, and this one I have no freaking idea what it is. I couldn't even guess. Oh, it's so sparkly. Holy mackerel. Do you even know? I mean, do you have a guess? Oh my gosh.
It's got weight to it.
All right, let's see. We're off to a good start. Blue and whatever this is should mix it. Oh my God, the sparkle's coming through so much. They kind of play nice together.
I'm getting a little bit of like a greenish tinge to it.
All right, we got 2 more. This can go south very quickly. What is that?
Martian green.
Okay, all right. An interference is bound to happen. It's not gonna mess anything up.
It's going to add some sparkle.
Yeah, show you a little Martian green. This pearl never gets any love, man. It really doesn't.
When we're spraying, you might see some choppiness or something like that.
Definitely, but that's part of the game with these. Whether or not they're gonna spray well and lay down well, that's not within our control. I'm actually feeling pretty confident right now. We've only got 1 more pearl left, and so far, I'm very excited to spray this. Okay, last one. This one, or this one, or this one. Iris Violet.
Okay.
Old school. This kind of looks similar to the unlabeled one from before, but way smaller particle.
Nah, it's not that small.
Yeah, you're right. Less sparkle, though. All right, so this should play.
Yeah.
We may get away with not making mud. Anytime we do something like this and don't make mud, we're happy. All right. Let's see what it looks like over a stick of truth. I wonder if those will maintain any shifting properties. Wow, this is going to be a sparkly car. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, we're going over a black base on the Evo, but at the end of the video, I'll try to show you this combination over a couple different base coats. I'm pumped. Are you pumped?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. right, guys, we're all done with the project, and this was a fun one. Anytime that you can mix together 4 completely random pearls and not end up with a muddy mess, I think you win. We're going to take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it and leave a comment below and rate this color for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And if you want to change the color of your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, click right up here. All of our DIY-friendly kits are in one place for you. I know Gabe and I love doing projects like this. I hope you had fun watching it. We'll see you on the next one.